Hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars. Well, today's little video is talking about seats. Now here at MK Sportscars, we want to make sure you're sitting super comfy in your home built sports cars, or if you've got it out on tracks, you've got long journeys, short journeys, or track focus, we have a seat for you. We actually have 4 seats in our range, various sizes actually, and we're going to start off here. Seat number 1 is a pallet seat. This seat offers you nice bolster side support. It's mainly designed for touring, a daily driving type of purpose seat. It's not really focused on track because it's not really hugging you in any way, shape or form. But it does offer you the width of the cockpit, which is good. So when you look at measurements, we're going to go over some measurements here for you to give you an idea. 385mm across the base there. Now what that does allow though is a full 420mm across the cockpit width, because you can actually sprawl out into the actual chassis areas there. And across the area here where your waistline would be, you've got somewhere in the region of 360mm. So that gives you a nice, quite a bit of room actually. They feel quite roomy when you sit on these. They do offer support and for the headrest. So if you're touring or doing anything like that, this is probably the seat that's going to suit your car. On to our next seat. This is a high-sided seat, newish to the range actually, but it also gives you the maximum width across the cockpit. What we have here now is nearly 400mm internal width. So it gives you the maximum. So if you're 34, 36 plus in the hips, it actually gives you way more room. So someone like myself really sit in here and have quite a bit of cockpit room. We have bigger harness holes for you, and we've actually moved the back rake here of the headrest, so that if you're sitting in here and you very much want to track focus, we've angled this headrest back a bit to give you a bit more head clearance on your helmet area and give you more room. Very sturdy seat actually, very strong, rigid, hardly any flex in there, and still lightweight. Somewhere, if you're looking at the base here on these, people wonder what they are. Very solid one-piece unit here with 4 M8 mounting holes, and on the back again it's all one piece, nice and solid. So very good for track focus, but actually on the road with a small seat pad, this I find extremely comfortable. It does mold to your body extremely well. So you've got a height of, you've got 400 across the width here, and then the total height on the back, it will give you is the total height on the back. Do you like to do this live of 880 metres. So that's a really good seat, very popular, nice big harness holes, and very lightweight but very, very strong. Now down to this. This is our standard seat, which goes out of all the kits. This services very easily into the 380mm, so it's the middle of the range. If you're a 34-inch waist, this is not a problem. 36 probably will be fine as well. We've had people up to 6'6" plus in these in terms of size, and they do fit actually. There's a bit of flex in these. Again, same sort of height on the 880mm, but for 380 wide. And again, very lightweight, extremely lightweight, very much track focused seats. One piece base here, but without the strengthening the base area here, and 4 M8 fixing holes. So runners can be fitted in all of these seats. Slightly smaller harness holes on the side and the back, which you can see the difference between the two there. So giving you some flexibility. This is our mid-range seat. Again, slightly lighter. I'd say that's probably only grams. I'm talking a couple of 100 grams lighter than this, but this is a bigger seat, so you expect it. Moving on from there is our low-sided seat. Now, if you're in the slimmer, gentlemen, but a low-sided, so you see the difference to the rolled edge, low-sided. This one comes out, it should be 360mm. Let's see if we're correct. 300, just under, well, 370mm across here. And again, we're at the 880 height. Again, we've got nice large harness holes, which are compatible for IVA, and then no harness sides here, because these have been cut away and rolled edge for your harnesses. Okay, and on the back, we'll show you the seat on here. It's a one-piece back, the same as this one. So it's a one-piece back with a 4 M8 fixing holes on there. Again, it's a little bit heavier this with a rolled edge. I'm probably going to say that's half a kilo heavier than the standard seat. But again, it's very, very good, and it offers you lots of support in here. Now, if you're 6 foot, this is probably not the seat for you. This is probably more for the gentleman who's 5'8" to 5'10" maximum in terms of that. In terms of waist height, you're looking at 34-inch waist. That would be the ideal scenario to be looking at. So the seats are all very good. They all do a job, and there is a seat here that fit all. all meet the IVA compliance, all have adjustments for bolting on a seat runner, so all of these seats can be tailored to suit your leg length, should we say, in your vehicle. All have the harness holes all pre-cut and pre-trimmed. On this one, it's not so much a requirement for IVA for trimming the edges, but all of these seats, this one and this one, would require trim if you're IVA in the vehicle in here and on the top edges. And we do recommend trimming out with a U-trim, which we can supply to you, the harness holes to stop chafing and everything else. Especially in motorsport, you don't want your harnesses chafing. And I'll just show you the last little back here, because I didn't show you this one. On the face and the back here, this is an all metal frame inside. It's steel framed, and you've got 4 fixing holes here. These come supplied with runners, actually, these particular ones do anyway, and they come with an angled adapter that sits under here that you can angle the rake of the seat a little bit more for you as well. Very comfortable padded seat. All these seats are available on our website, or you can come see here at the factory. We've got 2 of the demonstrators fitted with the wide seat and the stand seat, but we do also have these ones for you to try here at the factory. If you think, I want to try before I buy, that's what we're all about. But failing that, all available in the web shop. You can jump on there, order them, we'll box them up, ship them out to you, and you can put them in your pride and joy. Flexible. Most Sevens will take most of these sizes of the seats, whether it be another brand, whether it be a GBS or etc., or an M&R. Then we have fitted these in other vehicles and Westfields and other arrays of vehicles. So don't be put off thinking about it. Would that fit my car? You can always hook us up, phone call, email here at MK Sportscars, and we can tweak you for it and go through the dimensions of the seats. So that's it. Hope you've been sitting comfortably. That's our job here at MK Sportscars, to make sure you sit in your MK RX5 Cup 200 or Sprint 185 really comfortably. That's it for this video. I want you to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.